Hello guys, we are pleased to inform you that we are providing quantity surveying course for various civil engineering works. For this course, you have to give only 90 hours, only 2 hours per day. This course is offered by Design and Draft Engineering Institute. The topics to be covered in this course are method of measurement of civil works according to IS Code 1200, understanding and reading architectural and structural drawings, quantity takeoff technique from drawings, Revit and AutoCAD drawings, estimation of all kind of civil works, buildings, estimation of civil works road. In this estimation, we will teach you preparing bill of quantities, costing techniques as per market standard according IS code 7272. In this rate analysis, we will use current schedule rate and district schedule rate. Bar bending schedule, that is BBS, of RCC structure, footings, beams, columns, wall, etc. Tendering document preparations, tendering document submissions, technical bidding, financial bidding, statutory document preparation techniques for the tender, contracts and agreements, concessionaire, valuation. Prerequisite for this course. Candidates should be civil engineer. Candidates should be student of civil engineering. He will be degree holder or diploma holder. Outcomes of this course. After completing this course, students should be able to prepare estimate for building, road and other civil works. Student should be able to read all type of drawings. Student should be able to prepare BOQ for different civil works. Student should be able to bidding tender. Student should be able to evaluate the value of property. Glimpse of this course. In this course, we will teach you to read drawings of residential building, submission drawings, the drawing of minor bridge, major bridge, drawings of box culvert, how to prepare estimate sheet, how to prepare rate analysis sheet. Hurry up, enroll your seats. Only few seats are vacant.